What's up guys, Omkar here.
Hi guys.
Jai.
Hi guys, Ganesh here.
So this is going to be my first international vlog on my channel and we are traveling to Singapore. The purpose would be to explore the roads of Singapore and try some local food and roam around and visit most visited tourist attractions there. So meet you at Singapore.
Bye guys.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, so we have reached Singapore and we are pretty much excited about our trip and
We'll keep you updated as the day progresses. See you guys.
yeah. At the airport, we first landed up to the world's tallest indoor waterfall, the Rain Vortex in Jewel. Singapore's Changi Airport is probably the best airport in the world. Every year they keep on raising their bar. Somewhere in April 2019, Jewel was opened for public. The dome-shaped Jewel is being built at the cost of $1.3 billion and has over 1.4 million square feet of space spanning over 7 to 10 floors. The Jewel is built over what used to be the Terminal 1's open-air car park. The Rain Vortex, being 130 feet high, is the highest indoor waterfall in the world. Dropping from the roof through 7 floors above and below the ground level, the fountain is breathtaking display placed at the center of Jewel. Water is harvested from rain and then recirculated to the fountain on daily basis. The installation is active day and night and is used as a canvas for mesmerizing light and sound shows that can be enjoyed. The waterfall pours down from an enormous dome made of glass and steel, which is thick enough to dampen noise coming from an aircraft. We are going to head towards our hostel called Green Delhi Backpackers Hostel, which is in Boon Keng area. So meet you there. So we have arrived at the hostel. We are going to stay here for 7 days and stay tuned because our Singapore experience is set to begin.